Hey Crafty hackers! Today we're going to turn Barbie into your favorite celebs using some simple, easy steps. You're gonna love these looks almost as much as the real thing. But first, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Ready for the red carpet? Let's go! Ariana Grande. To get this look, cut a piece of aluminum foil with gold acrylic paint. Add some gold glitter for extra sparkle. Cut out this design and set aside. Now, pin this black fabric to fit Barbie's body. Sew it together and slide it on as a long black dress. Lace it up, adding gold sequins ribbon at each end. Wrap it around your celebrity princess, tucking it into that little black dress. Time for the fab golden foil shawl. Crinkle it up to look like the original and adorn her neckline like the goddess she is. Make your own music video just like Ariana Grande's. This girl dazzles. Dua Lipa. Count the rules on making this fabulous outfit so Barbie can be her best self. First, snip the neck off a black balloon. Fold it in half and snip out 2 leg holes. Then snip the bottom off another black balloon. Snip the mouth and cut a couple of slits up the side of the neck. Cut the center of the neck out and put it on Barbie as her bikini top. Trim it to look like Dua Lipa's rad swimwear from the video. And tie it around her neck. Now grab an old blue t-shirt, cut the sleeve off, and fold the material in half. Measure to Barbie's body. Chalk it up so you know where to cut. Then cut out her off-the-shoulder swim wrap. Sew the sides together. And then flip it right side out. Cut it open in the front. Then cut the hemline of the t-shirt sleeve and turn it into 2 straps. Sew them into the shirt and tie them together. Grab some stretchy black fabric and wrap it around Barbie's legs. Cut out a sarong with straps to tie together on the side. Let's get dressed, beauty! Next, cut out these shapes from a piece of clear plastic. Color them with gold marker. Form a piece of gold wire around her face to make sunglass frames. And add the lenses. Glue the lenses to the frames. Then tie her hair back so she looks like Dua Lipa. Add a gold wire necklace. And let that girl walk off her breakup poolside. BTS. Now your Ken doll can rock the BTS vibe too. Grab a strip of faux leather and wrap it around this nifty ninja outfit. Cut a few even strips and glue the faux leather around him in the back. Create a ring of wire using your pliers. Feed the faux leather through the ring and glue it on. Do the same on the other side of the ring. One more time. Glue another piece of faux leather around his neck. Then glue the leather ring straps around his body, like this. Glue the front straps in place. Wrap it around the other straps and trim to fit. Then add some gold details with a marker. Make an armband and detail them out. Now it's time to shine! Nicki Minaj. For this look, fold a red balloon in half and cut out 2 holes for the legs. Trim to give her enough room to dance. cut the mouth off the balloon, and cut a small hole in front of the neck. Cut a slit up the back and try it on to make sure it fits. Tie the straps behind her neck. Sorry about this, cute little guy. Pull the stuffing out and cut the feet off. Next, fold in the face, take a piece of red elastic and glue it to the top. Seal it shut and wrap the elastic band around her waist. Use tweezers to glue on some jewels. And paint this cool design on the front with white paint. Looking good, Nicki! Cardi B! This outfit was super fun to make. Find some red material, fold it over, and measure it to your Barbie. Mark it out with chalk, making the skirt line with a ruler. Carefully cut it out. And cut a small triangle for the neckline. Carefully glue the side seams together. And dress her up. Use a small strip of fabric as a belt. Time for some feathers! Gather your green feathers and secure them with a gold twist tie. Snip away the extra. Next, put Barbie's hair up in a bun and wrap her head in a scarf like this. Push the wire from the feathers into Barbie's ears and cut a slit up the front of her dress. Looks just like Cardi B, doesn't she? Ariana Grande. You can totally recreate this awesome music video look. First, style Barbie's hair with a long braid. Then, mix together some purple, white, and pink acrylic paint. Carefully paint streaks on Barbie's arms, face, and body. Don't forget to do the braid. In a plastic tub, put some shampoo in the water and give it a stir. Add some white, blue, and purple acrylic paint to give it that enchanted bath look. Drizzle in some sunflower oil and some pink paint. The paint will stick to the oil for this super awesome effect. Time for a bath, Ariana. Camila Cabello. Wrap a piece of red fabric around your Barbie and pin it to fit. Mark the seam line with chalk, then remove the dress. Cut off the extra fabric and sew the seams together. Flip it right side out. And then pull it over a bottle to hold it up. Aren't tassels fun? Wrap red tassels around the dress, like this, and glue them in place. When you're done, it should look like this. Cut the tassels so they fall just above the knees. Then, add another row of tassels around the shoulders. Cut out space for her arms. And that's it! So gorgeous! Hey guys, let's go dancing! Kim Kardashian. Get a hold of some green stretchy fabric. Wrap it around your doll and pin it in the back. Cut away the excess fabric and trim at the feet. Remove the pins and sew at the seams. Turn it right side out and slide it onto your Barbie. Cut a slit up the skirt and cut out the neckline. Make straps from 2 thin strips of fabric and carefully glue them into place. Add a little junk in the trunk with some cotton batting. Isn't this dress pretty? Way to go, crafters! This was so much fun. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later!